हेलो प्लांट पेरेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर योर बेबीज डूइंग? आज मैं अपने बेबीज के साथ बैठा हुआ था and I realized that they're also giving their own babies. And today that's why I'll teach you how to propagate your own Sansevieras at home. If you can see on my back, these are all the babies we took it out last month and now they are really growing so big enough. Yeah. When this baby we got it out, it was really small and now we can see all the new leaves are coming in. It brings so much of happiness to see all the small babies coming out and breaking into a new plant. Okay, let's go and I'll teach you how do we propagate our own Sansevierias, also known as MILT, also known as air purifying plants. So if you can look at this, this is a propagation season anyways. You will mostly in this season you will see across India that these babies will be coming out from the main shoots. I have these two main plants where I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them coming out. And let's go forward and get this baby out from the surgery. It will be just 2-minute surgery and I'll take it out quite quickly. I'm a good doctor and the mothers will not be hurt and the babies will come out and start their own life quickly. Okay, so I'll take this crate so that there's no spillage of coco peat. Let's take out one by one all the mothers. Okay, so you can see there's 1, 2, 3 big babies. They have come out. They've crossed their 9-month gestation and they're now supposed to come out. This one is still young, so it has four babies in it. Very healthy plant this is. You can see from the roots. And now I'll take out the other mother and see how many of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 babies are there in this. Let's go ahead and do their dissection. So you'll have to take out the coco peat from there. Now you can see the mother is surrounded from the babies from all around. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in this one. Let's start taking out one by one. So you will have to hold the mother and take out the baby. You will have to break this root from here. Just make sure that your baby has the roots from all sides and you have to cut it from here. The bigger ones will take a bit more strength because they have grown old inside only. See, this one was the biggest and it took out certain strength. You will have to do it very carefully. See, the roots are intact here. So I've taken out all the babies from the mother. Let's put this back. We'll repot it afterwards. Now from the first mother, let's take out the other babies. This one is a very big one and has to be taken out very carefully. Okay, baby. Oh, okay. See, it has come out really nicely. All the roots are there. And it has become a very big baby already. ऑपरेशन कर दिया है इसमें. मदर सही सलामत है, इंटैक्ट है. सारे बच्चे we have taken it out. The mother is doing fine. These are both the mothers. They're doing fine. We'll do the process of repotting them also. Let's first take care of the babies and put them into their new pots. Okay, so that's the first container I have taken for the babies. In this, actually, I'll put 3 of them, so that when they grow up, they are triplets and they go together as a family. I'll use all the big babies here. So let's use this one baby. That's the second, which comes at the center, and the third one, which is equal in size. 3 babies. Let's go and do the plantation. You have to see that when you are putting them, put it deep so that all the roots are submerged and they are stable. Coco peat. Here I have used pure coco peat and coco chips. I don't use soil in the indoor plants. So soil is harmful for the plants, which very little people know of. Now that's the cheapest medium available. That's why a lot of people use it. But we at Nurturing Green always use coco chips and coco peat along with other minerals, but avoid the soil here. So I have not used any soil in this, by the way. So it's light, doesn't get any fungal activity. The growth of the roots is very good. It's actually 3 times faster than what it is in the soil. So here the first babies are set. Let's work on the other ones. Oh, I love this cutie. This are real stress busters. And that's why gardening is a real stress buster. If you are still not a plant parent, get now, subscribe to the channel here, and we'll teach you how to do gardening at home. These are really beautiful and they look lovely when you look at them. And when they grow, they look really beautiful. I've seen them grow at the back. When they were as small as this, and to now they have been growing and the leaves are coming up. Once you have done the operation, make sure you give them some water. Let's put the water in them. You have to water all of them and make sure that all the plants get enough watering. Don't do the operation in the afternoon. Either do it in the morning when it's not too hot, or do it in the evening. I am doing this in the evening. When the sun has set, it's dusk time and the weather is still better off. It's done. That's my babies, and the operation is successful. We can take the kids to their mothers and put it back.